Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to another straightforward tutorial. Today, we're diving into how to withdraw Dogecoin from Trust Wallet to Bitmart in 2025. If you're holding Dogecoin in your Trust Wallet and want to move it over to Bitmart for trading or storage, you're in the right place. This process is simple, but always remember to double-check everything to keep your funds secure. Let's get started. First things first, make sure you have both the Trust Wallet app installed on your device and a verified Bitmart account. You'll need to have some Dogecoin in your Trust Wallet ready to withdraw. Why 2025? Well, with crypto evolving fast, we're using the latest features for a smoother experience. Step 1. Open your Trust Wallet app and navigate to the Dogecoin wallet. It's usually listed under your assets. Tap on it to view your balance. Next, hit the Send or Withdraw button. This is where you'll enter the details for the transfer. Now, head over to your Bitmart account on a web browser or their app. Log in, go to your wallet section, and select Dogecoin. Copy the deposit address provided. Double-check that it's for Dogecoin to avoid any mistakes. Pro tip: Bitmart might require a network like Dogecoin's native one, so ensure it matches. Back in Trust Wallet, paste the Bitmart address into the To field. Enter the amount of Dogecoin you want to withdraw, but remember to leave enough for network fees. Those can vary, so check current rates first. Review all the details carefully, then confirm the transaction. You'll get a confirmation prompt. Go ahead and approve it. Once sent, the transaction might take a few minutes to a couple of hours to process, depending on network congestion. Keep an eye on your Bitmart wallet for the deposit. If everything goes smoothly, your Dogecoin should appear there soon. And that's it. You've successfully withdrawn your Dogecoin from Trust Wallet to Bitmart. Always prioritize security. Use hardware wallets for large amounts and enable two-factor authentication. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop your questions in the comments. Thanks for watching, and happy trading in 2025.